Are you looking for a supplier of prefabricated houses? This is made by K Home. Let's take a look at this prefab construction camp project with me. Here are the warehouse, dormitory area, laundry room, toilet, office building and canteen. This is a construction site camp, including office and living functions. The office area is arranged in a U-shape, with a garden-like office environment. The office building is a closed corridor, and the three buildings are connected to each other. The toilet and printing room are on the left, and the dining room and kitchen are on the right. The main body in the middle is a two-story office building, including offices, meeting rooms, study rooms, etc. Do you want to see what it looks like inside? Come with me. Now let's go to the living area and take a look. The dormitory area consists of two dormitory buildings. The area of each bedroom is about 20 square meters, with one door and two windows. Each room can fit 3 bunk beds, the wardrobe for 6 people and a desk. The two-story dormitory building is more popular because it can save land area and increase the utilization rate on less land. This project uses built-in stairs to avoid rain erosion.